Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with a nice toy right over here from Triple Stripe Knives. I've got the mag slider right over here for a review. We're gonna analyze the look, the sound, and the feel of this little guy. But first of all, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know, guys, what you think in the comments down below. So let's... First of all, let's check the size of this fella. It has like a width of 1.06 inches, overall length right over here of like 1.58 inches, and a thickness at this point of 0.44. So let's quickly check this guy up against couple slider. Here you got the Argyle from Compoform. This is the Tom EDC Mahjong. That's the Choclick from Black Mirror design. Here you got the bulletproof shield from Wanwu Studio. Like also from Wanwu Studio, you got this Camera M slider. And last one from Lautier, you got this pretty cool shuffle pair of aces. So here you got this toy. Basically, it's a slider, all right, and it has like a, the peculiar thing about this guy is that you have two separate pieces, magnets, magnetic pieces, sorry, and you got like 4 magnets on the base and 1 right here on the back of the floating piece. The materials are like you see, you get some natural paper micarta right over here. You got black G10. And you got natural micarta for the cover right over here, and the materials are replicated in the lanyard bead because it looks pretty cool. This is a custom toy, so it's handmade by this guy. He's from BC, Jonathan, really nice guy, super young and really promising. He's also making custom knives. You can check out also his Instagram to see what this guy is capable of. So this is a toy that he made, and you can see it's handmade. It is the first toy that is cranking out. I think it's really well made. It looks good. It has a nice, you see all like the edges are rounded off. It's asymmetrical, which is something that it's unusual in the toy world. You usually see some square, rectangle, circle. So it's rare to see like an asymmetric shape for like this point of view, for example, and also this like from this side, you see it's more flat on this side and more like contoured, because the main way you're gonna handle this guy is gonna be like holding it like that and probably like this. That's why the shape. And then with your thumb, you can just move the part that is floating on top, like this little piece. It's in the hand, it feels good because this surface right over here is nicely polished, and you can see, you can feel the this magnet just being average strength, and you can just move this guy around pretty easily because the surface is polished and this is nice and flat, so it just is smoothly gliding on this surface. So you can also like take advantage of the lanyard and just hold it like that, and this is going to be even more feeling even more nicer in your hand. You can use this guy like in basically like 2 ways. So one is going to be like with applying a little bit more pressure, and then you have like basically no noise. Just squeeze a little bit more, and this guy is going to be moving around, giving you a nice feedback. Or you can just be a little bit applying less pressure, and therefore this guy is moving. But as you just saw, it can jump out. So like for example, if you push it like in you see, in this way, it just pops out. So that's something you're not supposed to do. So you can just keep your thumb like that, so you're gonna avoid losing the this piece here, because it's just like free to fall out. So that's maybe like something, I don't know, maybe he can give like you an extra one, like a spare one, because it's, I see this, I can see myself losing this part pretty easily. But as long as you keep the finger like that, you can be quiet and not obtrusive, or you can just decide to play like that. and the sound is very pleasant. So it's pretty cool. Like also something that I noticed, like for example, the magnet here is not like perfectly centered. So you can also, like for example, decide to rotate this like that, and this spins kind of like around that. So you're gonna see that, you see, it doesn't spin like staying centered because the magnet is not perfectly centered. I mean, it's not a big deal. This is a handmade toy. So these tolerances are acceptable, I think, and this is like the first model that is cranked out, so it's fine. I mean, the idea is pretty genius. I think it's a very clever approach to the magnetic slider, very innovative. I never seen anything like that, and I was attracted instantly by the shape, and I was curious to check it out. So, you know, as long as you keep your finger right over here, is gonna be you're gonna be fine. Also, materials can be personalized. You can choose colors and also some different materials, and that is a bonus 100%. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.